Welcome to this week's edition of This Week at AVS. On Monday this week we had Remembrance assemblies. There was a performance from students in the assembly which was incredible, and we also observed a 2-minute silence. Thank you to all students for being so respectful and for coming together as a community to reflect. During the time as well, students went to tutor, where they completed a tutor activity to write messages of gratitude. We've got some on display today. In line with our core values of care, our students have been incredible in putting together shoeboxes to send out to underprivileged children for Christmas. We've got some pictures of the shoeboxes and how many were put together, and thank you to all parents who supported their child in putting together a shoebox which will really make a difference this Christmas. This week has seen the winners of the Design a School Dinner competition having their meals served to students at lunchtime. We've had a fantastic week, a really popular menu with 4 different meals being served that were designed and created by students. Today, on Friday the 15th, we have got Children in Need going on in school. It's non-uniform day. You can see I'm dressed down this week, as are the rest of the school, to come together to do fundraising activities for Children in Need and our J Foundation. Thank you to all students for participating in these fundraising events, and the money that we raise and the kind donations from parents will make a real difference. Another massive thank you to parents and students for supporting all of our fundraising activities this week. I hope that you've enjoyed this week's edition of This Week at AVS and the things that have been going on at the amazing Avon Valley School.